How to use WeTransfer. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your Play Store and then simply search for WeTransfer. Now this is the application we'd be looking for. Simply install the application. Wait for the download to be completed. Once the download is complete, what you will have to do is simply sign in using email, and then you can easily and securely transfer files with a link or email. You can create a link for transfer, send it to your friend, and after they get it, you can transfer files and folders from your device to your friend's device easily. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.